Hi everyone, welcome to Slinger Cat YouTube channel. Do you know who is considered as the father of machine tool technology? In metalworking industries, one of the most important machine tools is lathe machine, which works on the principle of rotating workpiece and a fixed cutting tool. The cutting tool is fed into the workpiece, which rotates about its axis, causing the workpiece to form the desired shape. We can perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, deformation, facing, and turning. There are 7 types of lathe machines. They are engine lathe, bench lathe, tool room lathe, turret lathe, automatic lathe, turret head, CNC lathe. Henry Maudsley was an English machine tool innovator and a tool and die maker. He was considered as father of machine tool technology. He also invented metal lathe machine. In Industrial Revolution, his invention was an important foundation. Henry Maudsley was born on this date in 1771. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Tomorrow, do you know who introduced the Reynolds number?